Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So to keep this Irish theme going for St. Patrick's Week, what we got now is a riff of a Kentucky Maid, and this is the Irish Maid. But first we need to take about 2 slices of cucumbers, about 1/4 inch each, and muddle it in the bottom. Man, that smells good. Next, we're going to go with 2 ounces of Irish whiskey. We're going to go with 1/4 ounce of elderflower St-Germain liqueur. 1/2 ounce of elderflower liqueur. Good floral notes. Next, we're going to go with 3/4 an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And last, we're going to add the same 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Last, we're going to add some ice to our shaker. Good and tight. Give it a good shake. I'm going to double strain it into my glass, my rocks glass with ice. It's coming out pretty slow, but there it goes. Voila. What we have here is an Irish Maid. Cheers. So refreshing. So great. This is a good way to, so you don't want to give your guests something, too strong, right? Something flavorful and something different. Perfect for St. Patrick's Day. Again, guys, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Cheers.